It was a nice day out today. What's that noise? Boris, I got hiccups. Wait, how'd you get some hiccups? Well, when I woke up this morning, I got some hiccups. Okay, oh, it says you had to get scared. Hey, look over there! Huh? Boo! Ah! Well, I guess it won't work. I gotta think of something. Okay, Bendy. The next step is, you get scared by these movies. The scary movies? Yup. So, let me gonna put the remote on and put on the scary movies on. 2 hours later. Well, that was all of them. You still have your hiccups? I think it's gone. Well, I just got scared, actually. It was really complete. Well, that's great, Bendy. You got your hiccups gone. What? You got your hiccups too? Why would I get the hiccup gone? Look over there. Huh? Boo! Ah! Oh, come on. Gotta put on some scary movies. 2 hours later. Well, that was all of them. You still have your hiccups, Boris? I think it's gone. It's complete. Hey guys, Bendy here. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos, click the notification bell. So, you guys who get some hiccups, well, if you have some, you might drink water slowly. If someone will scare you, it might get your hiccups gone. So, bye everyone.